here we go. So we just unlocked this. So we're gonna go ahead and equipped and just claim. Got the loading screen. Let's equipped, claim. Then we got the spray. So let's equip it, claim. All right, next up, we just completed this quest. Just got this. We just leveled up, which means we get this. So we're gonna go on and equipped. We got the cape. Alright, and we just unlocked Superman pen and ink. So that's would be the second page. And we got all of this. So we can go on and equipped. So we're gonna do that. We're gonna claim all. And that's how easy it is. So all we have to do is just level up, literally. And as long as you guys have the battle pass, same deal. Just level up and you're gonna get all the rewards. The first thing that we got were these rewards right here. Once we were done with page 1, we just automatically go to this page. So we don't have to click on them. As soon as you come back from a game, then on your screen it's just gonna show up. So you guys can go ahead and equip. And then if you forgot to equip something, you can always go back here and just press on it to equip. It's gonna give you the option to equip. This is already equipped and this is already equipped, so I don't have that option. I was just missing one thing to equip. Then you could go to your locker and save it as a new style. So you can just go and save character, new one, save, and there it is. So we can go back to play, and there's Superman. And that would be it. That's how easy it is to get Superman. All you guys have to do is just gain those 24 levels on top of whatever level you're in. Most of you would be level 200 right now because you got all the bonus rewards. Level 100 just gets you the base rewards from the battle pass. Then for bonus rewards, you do need to go and get to level 200 and then another 24 levels just to get this. So you don't really need to be level 260 like I am. Technically, if you're level 230, you would be okay since the Superman skin came out. But anyways, that would be it. If you guys are still wondering how to get this, well, red versus blue does help to level up quick. Other than that, zero builds, pretty easy to get a lot of kills. Blitz, I don't know. I didn't see that much XP from it. Get crowns, yeah, but XP, I don't know. And then battle royale, yeah. Doing quests obviously will help.